Hello and welcome to the channel. This is going to be an unboxing, quick first look and review of the Logitech G309 gaming mouse. This is a wireless mouse, hot off the shelf from Logitech. Let's dive into the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is an unboxing of the all-new G309 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse by Logitech. So this is supposedly the successor for the G305, which I actually did own. I was curious on this mouse and I've been using the Rocat Burst mouse and it's just time for something new. I wanted something relatively that same size, so pretty small but not too small. I had the Razer Viper Mini, which I felt was just completely small. It was just kind of cramping on my hand, so I wanted something a little bit larger than that. So this one does say that it is 68 grams, so that's without a battery inside. So of course you can't even use it. It's going to be more like 80, maybe mid 80s to high 80s, which is really perfectly acceptable for this type of mouse with a AA battery in it. You of course go with a lithium battery or even get a AAA adapter to make it even lighter as well. As you can see, I went with a white color. This also comes in black as well. No RGB to be found on this mouse, but I'm really not mad at it. I really like white colored mouse anyways, so I think it's just fine. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so what are we looking at here? We got a quick, I don't even call this a user manual. This is probably just warranty information. We've got that documentation in the box. We've also got some kind of leatherette rubber material. Ooh, this feels very nice. I'm happy to actually put this to use. Maybe at least one or two of them, if not all of them, but we'll see how this mouse fits in my hand. This is the mouse itself. Yeah, I can already feel how light it is, but again, no battery in here. So yeah, this is really just a nice, attractive mouse. Close up to this, we'll do a quick sound test. Squeeze test. A little bit of creaking, not too much. Nothing to be alarmed about. Get your on-off switch. And then a Bluetooth to 2.4 gigahertz switch. It's a little bit of a button. Of course, you can take this out, drop a little bit of weight. There you go. This is magnetic, by the way. But PowerPlay essentially lets you use this onto a PowerPlay mouse without any batteries, so that's an option. But of course, that mouse pad is like $100, give or take, I believe. For a $60 mouse, that's quite the pretty penny for a mouse pad. All right, you do get an included AA battery, which is Duracell. Very, very nice. Probably one of the heftier batteries, but it'll last you a long time. Now this should slide back just like that. Your AA battery goes right inside. Looks like mine is first, just like that. This is not magnetic, by the way. I thought it was, but it just slides on with some clips, just like that. Powering it on, just like that. Got a little blue light here for wireless 2.4. Click it again, and you go to Bluetooth wireless. All right, and your USB dongle is chilling right here in the box. Definitely don't lose this. And then you've got a USB extender. So this will give you some better reception if your PC or laptop is like further away from your desk and you're kind of losing reception. Bam, it includes that extension cable. Go ahead and plug in your dongle to this device, just like that. Extend this way out and then plug this to your PC or laptop, wherever that might be. And this can sit like right here, right by your mouse. So you're always gonna have really good reception. Let's go ahead and take a super close-up view of this mouse and again, do one more sound check. Very smooth. Got some super slick feet, as you can see. All right, so here's just a quick side-by-side of my old Razer Viper Mini. And yeah, the mini feels like a tiny little toy next to this guy here. This one definitely has some size to it. So I don't think I really need the left and the right. I think it's got perfect amount of width for my hand size and shape. I might do the 1 and 2. This one, the width is just super skinny. And I kept getting hand cramps from my pinky and ring finger, just kind of having to hold it really small. This one's just perfect. It sits in the hand. And you can see that there is a sizable width difference on these two mice. Now overall length here, as you can see, are pretty close actually. But again, this Razer Viper Mini is just super thin, pretty much for small to extra small size hands. This one here, the G309, is more for small, medium to even medium size hands, I would say. Just a pretty noticeable size difference. As you can see, front to back, not too much of a difference there. The Logitech definitely does have a larger hump, more towards the back of the mouse. Whereas the Razer, it's more here in the center. As you see, the hump on this one, it's pretty far back, right about here. So my hand actually hits that point. I actually find it pretty comfortable. As you can see, that's my grip style. And that's what that looks like.